Step-by-step guide apply to China. Axiom offers professional guidance to the Bangladeshi students who are intended to study in China. We will be with you on each step from the initial general consultations to arriving in the country. We will review your academic, professional, financial circumstances along with your future study and career plan. According to your needs, we will assist you in selecting a suitable course, place of study and all other related issues. You will get proper guidance from us, which will fully comply with the updated visa requirements. Our dedicated and well-experienced education advisors are always ready to assist you in every step, such as your first visit to our office, admission, visa procedure etc. until your departure to your desired destination. The typical procedure that you must take before starting your study in China is as follows. Step-by-step guide apply to China. Step 1. Attend a counseling session. Attend a counseling session at Axiom to planning and information gathering your options relating to study in China, courses available and recommended institutions. Be sure to language proficiency requirements. Be sure to eligibility requirements for admission. Be sure to the amount of money required to study in China. Step 2. Register with Axiom. Register with Axiom to start the admission and visa process. We can help you navigate through the various processes and make studying overseas easier. Step 3. Prepare and appears for standardized admissions tests. Prepare and appears for standardized admissions tests. Join Axiom Global Institute, and sit the exams required for the application. For example IELTS, TOEFL registered, TOEIC. Step 4. Apply for admission. Once you have decided what and where you want to study, we will help you complete the application to the institutions of your choice. Prepare application documents. Arrange to send an application fee. At the time of application for admission, you will be required to submit several documents including proof of previous academic qualifications and in most cases proof of your language ability. Documents for submission may vary according to schools. It is best that you inquire directly with your Axiom education advisor for details. By submitting your application through us, you will be able to track the progress of your application as we send you automatic notifications of its progress. We also take the hard work out of tracking the applications by keeping in contact with the institution on your behalf. Step 5. Undertake medicals. After submitting your application for admission, you will need to undertake a medical examination by one of the doctors approved by the China government. Step 6. Organize funds. Proof of payment of tuition and accommodation fees. A letter from the person or institution providing you with the money, and proof of funding paid from within China if you have a scholarship or are in a China-funded educational program. Step 7. Pay tuition fee. To accept your offer from an education provider, you must pay the tuition fee. Most Chinese institutions require you to pay the first-year fee only. You can choose to pay this fee through either telegraphic transfer, TT, or direct debit, DD. Our value-added services department at Axiom Education Advisor can help you arrange either of these payment methods. Step 8. Visa lodgement. All set to study abroad in China but not sure what to do about your student visa. So you've got your heart set on studying in China, but before you can embark on that journey you'll need to get your student visa sorted. The process might seem complicated, but we've broken it down into easy steps. An international student wishing to study in China must apply for a visa in person. To lodge your visa application you will need to provide the recommended documents specified by the Embassy of China in Bangladesh. Basic visa application required documents. Passport. Visa application form, duly filled up. Photographs, 2" x 2 inches with white background. All academic certificate, registration card, Mark sheet. The admission approval from the Chinese educational institution you have been accepted. JW 202. Evidence showing the applicant's ability to pay all expenses during her stay in China. Further additional documents may be required. Note: except for passport and photos, every document should be provided one original and one photocopy. Axiom will keep you updated as to the progress of your application and take the hard work out of tracking your application by keeping in contact with the visa office on your behalf. Step 9. Visa outcome. Usually, Embassy of China in Bangladesh passport delivery 2 to 5 working days after the interview. We will notify you as soon as we know the outcome of your visa application so you can come in and collect your grant letter. In most cases, this is a positive response and it means you can also start planning your travel and accommodation for China. Step 10. Travel on time. Once you've accepted your place and your visa application is approved, at Axiom, we can help you organize your travel arrangements and advise with sorting out suitable student accommodation to begin your new student life in China. Air ticketing, insurance, foreign exchange and anything else you need can all be arranged through us to make studying overseas easier.
One-stop solution for worldwide admission, visa support, immigration and travel. Axiom, committed to your success.